Hello guys! Welcome back to my Python programming playlist. In the last video, we talked about why Python is awesome and how it's used in real life. If you missed it, check it out later. It's a great starting point. Today, we're going hands-on. I'll show you how to set up Google Colab, the tool we'll use for this series, and we'll write our very first Python code together. Ready? Let's dive in. Before we jump in, let me quickly explain what Google Colab is. Google Colab, short for Google Collaboratory, is a free, cloud-based platform provided by Google. You can write and run Python code directly in your browser. No installation, no setup hassle. Plus, it's great for both beginners and advanced users. And the best part? It's completely free. All you need is a Google account and you're good to go. Alright, let's get you set up. Here's how you do it. Open your browser and go to Google Colab. Log in with your Google account if you're not already logged in. Once you're on the main page, click on the button that says New Notebook. That's it. You've got your coding environment ready. No downloads, no installation. It's as easy as it gets. Let me quickly walk you through the interface. The top menu bar is where you can save your work, rename your file, and access settings. The code cell is where you type your Python code. You can add more cells, delete them, or rearrange them easily. To run the code, simply press the play button next to the cell or hit Shift plus Enter on your keyboard. Don't worry, it'll all make sense once we start coding. Alright, it's time to write our first Python code. In the code cell, type this. Print Hello World. Then hit the play button or press Shift plus Enter. You should see. Hello World. Congratulations! You've just written and executed your first Python program. This simple line tells Python to display the text Hello World on the screen. It's the traditional first step in programming, and you've nailed it. Let's try something else. Type this in a new cell. A equals 5. B equals 3. Print A plus B. What do you think will happen? When you run it, Python will add 5 and 3 and display the result. 8. That's the power of Python. It's super simple to do math or perform calculations. You've set up Google Colab and written your first Python code. This is the foundation of your programming journey. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into Python basics, things like variables, data types, and simple operations. So, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss it. Also, I'd love to hear from you. Let me know in the comments. Did you face any issues setting up Google Colab, or is there something specific you'd like to learn? I'm here to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.